Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to change Instagram username font. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, open your Instagram and now click on edit profile and open a new tab and search here font style, and from here you can open any website from here. So right now I'm gonna opening this website and copy your present username from Instagram and then paste the username here, and here you will get some stylish font. And suppose I want to use this font, so I'm copying this font and going back to my Instagram and pasting that font here, and now scroll down to the bottom, then click on submit. Then your Instagram username font will be changed. This is how we can change our Instagram username font. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.